Hello, how to solve this is 9 power t times 9 power t equals 90. Solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So what we are going to do will be to consider this identity. If you have a power x times a power x, this equals a power, this is x plus x, and that is what? A power 2x. So we do the same thing here. This is 9 power t plus t, and this equals 90. From here, we have 9 power 2t equals 90. So what we can do is to apply log. We have log of 9 power 2t equals log 90. Now, if you have log a power b equals b times log a. So from here, 2t comes behind this. We have 2t times log 9 equals log 90. And from here, I can decide to isolate 2t by dividing this by log 9 and dividing this by log 9. So from here, this eliminates this. So we have 2t equals log 90 divided by log 9. So from here, I can have 2t equals log 9 times 10, that is 90, divided by log 9. So what we can do is to apply this. If you have log a times b, this equals log a plus log b. Applying this right here. So we have 2t equals log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 9. So from here, we have 2t equals log 9 divided by log 9 plus log 10 divided by log 9. So from here, we have 2t equals this, cancel this, we have 1 plus log 10 divided by log 9. Now, I can simply have 2t equals 1 plus log 10 is simply log 5 times 2 divided by log 9 is simply log 3 times 2. Okay, 3 times 3. That's 3 times 3. So remember, log a times b equals log a plus log b. So that means we are going to have 2t equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3. So from here, I can have 2t equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 3 plus log 3, that is 2 log 3. So that means we can have 2t equals 1 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 3 plus log 2 divided by 2 log 3. So remember that if you have log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b. So applying this right here and here, we simply have 2t equals 1 plus, this is 1 over 2. We can factor out this 1 over 2 here. Have 1 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 3 plus, also this is 1 over 2 of log 2 to the base of 3. So to solve for t, we divide this by 2 to isolate t, and we divide this by 2. This cancel this. I have t equals, I'll have 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 to the base of 3 plus 1 over 2 of log 2 to the base of 3, and everything here divided by 2. So from here, then have t equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 3 divided by 2 plus 1 over 2 of log 2 to the base of 3 divided by 2. So from here, remember, these two is just like having 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 1. So 1 comes up. These two multiply these two again. We have 1 over 4. So that means we simply have t equals 1. And this one here is divided by 2. So you have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 divided by 2. This gives us 1 over 4 because it's over 1. So remember that this is simply 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 because this 2 comes over, and this is 1 over 4. So take note of that. So I can replace that with just 1 over 4. So this place will be 1 over 4 of log 5 to base 3. We have 1 over 4 of log 5 to base 3 plus 1 over 4, because it's the same thing here, of log 2 to base 3. Log 2 to base 3. This is our answer. So the next thing we are going to do is to check. Let's check by inserting this value for t. So we come over here. Let me make use of this so that I will be close to where the answer is. I have verify. Then remember, our question is we have 9 power t times 9 power t equals 90. Remember, the places are the same. You add the exponent, so you have 9 power 2t equals 90. So from here, we have 9 power 2 times the t, this is our t. We have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 of log 5 to the base of 3 plus 1 over 4 of log 2 to the base of 3 equals 90. So this multiplies that we have 9 times this, cancel this. This will give us 1 plus this will give us 2 over 4. That is 1 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 3 plus this will give us the same thing, 1 over 2 of log 2 to the base of 3, and this equals 90. So let's proceed from here. 9 is 3 power 2. So we can have, we have 3 power 2, that is 9. And this is to the power of, and this is to the power of the whole of this. So we have 1 1 plus 1 over 2 of log 5 to the base of 3 plus 1 over 2 of log 2 to the base of 3, and this equals 19. So if you multiply this, you have 3 power 2 times 1, that is 2. These two cancel this. They have plus log 5 to the base of 3. These two also cancel this. We have plus log 2 to the base of 3 equals 90. Now remember, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So that means this will be 3 power 2 times 3 power log 5 to the base of 3 times 3 power log 2 to the base of 3. It is equals 19. Now, what we are going to do will be to find the value of 3 power 2, that is 9 times. Now, remember, if you have a power log b to the base of a, this equals b. If you have a power log b to the base of a, that equals b, that means we have 5 here, times here we have 2 here. It is equals 90. Obviously, 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 times 9, that is 90. You have 90 equals 90. So this has satisfied our equation, guys. So that is it. Interesting one. Thank you and goodbye. See you in our next video tomorrow.